that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight.
Okay, so welcome back to the Urban Cook, and today we're here with a guest. It's Vicky's Creations. She's here today, and she's going to be doing a chicken and sausage Fusilli jambalaya. Jambalaya, I think jambalaya, and Fusilli as in Italian. So we're going to go with that. So what we got for this is we got like spring onions, dried coriander, smoked paprika. These are sun-dried tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, garlic, chicken stock, white onion, sweet peppers, bell pepper, some sausage, and some chicken. So we're going to get all this salt like prepped up, and we'll bring you back in a minute. So see you soon.
And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
So you got to do your own. You got to start a YouTube channel called Vicky's Creations. That's your new. That is your YouTube channel. That's what it's going to be.
Vicky's Creations.
Yeah.
Trying to live another day, like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Tesco's finest Cumberland Chipolatas.
In the misty light.
Could you imagine if you didn't have this channel throughout COVID, what you'd be doing? Because you lost the job as well, didn't you?
Mm.
So you'd literally been at home.
Yeah, I don't know. I had a lot of people ask me, like, why didn't you start it earlier?
Oh really?
Because basically I had a life. It was life before YouTube.
Oh, sorry.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping, 'cause you fear the night. And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you.
That's my favourite bit. You know, I was telling Cosmin about this. Go on. When you was doing it, I was like, I can't imagine the state of his bloody kitchen sink and doing that.
Nobody sees this part.
No.
don't feel the cold. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night, and I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes, I'll be coming home.
I'm gonna go red. Let's simmer down.
I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When
I just sort of like roll with it. If you think it's f***ed up and you f***ed up, we do it again. Doesn't matter. So
You have like a little blooper bit.
Yeah, we're running anyway, so just go with it.
Okay.
So it's sort of like sort of like not showing the phone. So yeah, go. Just go for
Okay,
it.
so today we've made a chicken and sausage fusilli jambalaya. So we've used 2 chicken breasts, we used paprika, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, olive oil. We also used the Cumberland chipolatas. 1 onion, we had 1 red bell pepper, also 1 orange, 1 yellow sweet pepper, 3 garlic cloves, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, 1 cup, I'd say 1.5 cups of chicken broth. We used fusilli pasta, paprika, 2 spring onions, and also some coriander to add in as well. I could get stage fright.
There's nobody here watching you.
I know. It's like doing the spelling test that you times table in front of the class. 1 times 1, 10. Okay, so this recipe didn't actually come from anywhere specifically. I had a look at different recipes and kind of just bunched a few together just to make one whole new recipe. It's something you can definitely play around with, maybe doing it with like chorizo sausage or adding different herbs and spices. Something that's definitely easily play around with, and it's definitely tasty. So I would 100% recommend trying this out and just putting your little twist on it as well.
So thank you very much for watching.
Okay. Ready?
And don't forget to like and subscribe
Like.
to the Urban Cook, and I will be definitely sorting out my own.
No.
Yes, just give me something to look forward to. Looking forward to, yeah.
Wait, how do you do your fun thing at the end? You just do that, don't you?
Yeah, so
if I just do it there.
thank you very much.
Oh, why is it?
Yeah, you have to go like. I have to zoom out again, so I can add this in afterwards anyway. Yeah, so like. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Okay, I'll do that. Right, see?
Zoom out a bit more. Yeah, go on.
So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share as well, and comment down below what you thought of this recipe and any twists and turns that you made. Thanks very much, guys.
And don't forget to watch out for Vicky's Creation, the YouTube channel, which will certainly be coming soon, and I'll make sure of it because her presentation is absolutely awesome. See you later, guys. Take it easy. See you on the next one.
We did it!